Hi there, good morning. This is Nandini Sanyal from etmarkets.com with our regular morning podcast of all the news, views, and cues that could sway your market through the day. With a host of domestic data releases lined up for the day and US President Donald Trump ready to deliver his first address to the US Congress late in the day, a directionless market might spring up to life to move either way. The GDP numbers for December quarter and data on domestic fiscal deficit and infrastructure output are scheduled to be released during the day, which will show the real impact of the high value currency ban on the economy. Most analysts expect the GDP data for the third quarter of the current financial year to hover below the 6% mark. GDP has risen to 7.3% during September quarter of 2016. Keenly watching US President Donald Trump's first address to the US Congress later on Tuesday. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said on Sunday that Trump's first budget proposal will spare big social welfare programs such as Social Security and Medicare from any cuts. Asian markets across Japan, Korea and Australia were trading positive in early morning trade. In overnight trade, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed 0.08% higher at 20,837, while the S&P 500 rose 0.10% to 2,369 and the Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.28% to 5,861. The rupee strengthened further on Monday to end at a fresh 3.5-month high of 66.71, appreciating by 11 paise on the back of sustained selling of the US dollar by exporters and banks. Let's look at some of the interesting headlines from print editions of Markets.com. Life Insurance Corporation of India plans to buy 5% more stake in India's biggest engineering company Larsen & Toubro for Rs 6,500 crore at current market price. Two people familiar with the proposal said. The insurer, which already owns 16% of the company, recently got the regulator's approval to buy the additional stake. March is going to trigger rush hour in the IPO market, with at least half a dozen companies lining up to raise Rs 6,000 crore through initial public offerings. This would be the second best month for IPOs in the last 2.5 years. Lastly, the Future Group is exiting the special retail format as part of a large strategy to focus on core fashion and food businesses. We would leave you with that much for now. Do log on to etmarkets.com through the day for continuous updates on every development in the financial markets. Have a good trading day ahead.